Alright, what's up guys? This is my part 3 Carvana video. I've got a weird little setup here going on in the car, so we're going to see how this works. I don't know if it's going to sound great, I don't know if it's going to look great, the camera might fall over. But I'm in my car right now, and I have been trying to make this video for a couple days now, and it's been raining, I don't know, 3 or 4 of the last 5 days that I've been trying to do this. So it's not a pretty day, but it's not raining. So I can actually take this out on some of the curvy roads. But I guess let me actually get going here. I don't know where I'm at, which I guess is kind of fun in a way. And I'm sure I'll get a fair amount of criticism for my manual driving. But like I said, I've only been doing it for it's been about a month now. But I don't feel confident in, like, downshifting's still not perfect. I'm sure you'll hear some of that. And I mean, if you had asked me the first or second day that I got this car that I would be confident enough to be taking it out on some fun roads and not worrying about traffic while also filming a video, I don't know if I would have believed you. That first week was I think I stalled out at just about every single stoplight between every destination I had to go. So anyway, let's get back into some Carvana stuff. So, my trial period, it worked pretty well. We had a guy that straight up just drove my car right up to me, right up to my apartment, and I signed the paperwork that you would normally sign at the dealership, and they handle all the registration and stuff for me. Ooh, I'm getting foggy windows. A little bit of defrost. There we go. Second gear. First to second gear is still kind of rough. Anyway, rambling again. So Carvana, the guy who came up, he gave me all the paperwork, I signed everything, and they just left me the car. He basically said, it was funny because he goes, I'm sure you know how to drive manual, or else you wouldn't have bought a manual, right? And I go, yeah, I definitely know what I'm doing. I'm waiting for my friend so we can test drive this. So you guys can go ahead and get out of here. And I don't want to make you wait. I didn't want to make him wait because I didn't know how to drive the dang car. But yeah, the test drive time period went fine. It could happen at any time again because the parts in this car for this thing I'm about to talk about break very often. But there is some sort of what's it called, flow regulator or something in the AC that tends to die. But basically, the little piece in the AC broke. It made a loud clicking noise, like every time you turned on the car. And it would last about 20 seconds and then it would go away. And this is a very common issue in the car. I actually knew about it. And on top of that, the day of the delivery, the guy who was inspecting it before it went out called and said, "Oh man, I'm sorry, we're not going to be able to make your delivery today. I don't know what's going on, but we got this crazy loud banging noise in the dash. We got to rip the thing apart." And I'm like, please don't do that. Please don't do that. I've read about this. I knew about this from purchasing the car that it would probably be an issue. I'll either get it fixed or I'll take it on warranty on my own time. And that's what I did. So I called up the Carvana people and I went through their, I think it's Silver Rock, that does the repairs. And you just go to one of their certified dealers and you go to these, I went to a National Tire and Battery and the guys there were fine. But anyway, they fixed it up. It took them, I dropped it off in the morning, they gave it back to me in the evening, or, when they closed, I went and picked it up. Hey! I saw another Fiesta ST. Oh no, that was a pothole. Oh. I thought it was just water on the road, but it was all covered up. Alright, sorry about that. I don't know if you could hear me. I might have cut it out, but I just passed another Fiesta ST. You do a little nod. It's like, what's up? But you also kind of do the little hand gesture to show that I acknowledge you. I find that exciting because This is the first time in my life that I've had a car that somebody will actually wave at. But anyway, I think before the camera fell, I was talking about the fact that the repairs went well, and that was the only issue I had. There's a few minor scratches and scuffs on the car that I think I probably could have made a claim about, and I might still attempt, but they were so small, and I felt like things would be kind of slow in communication with them on something like that. So I just kind of opted to let it go. I do feel like I could have probably gotten $100 or $200 back or something, but I don't know. At the time, it didn't feel like worth the effort for me. Big old place over here on my left. Park entrance. I think I might pull in here actually. I kind of messed up my turn there. I thought I was running into I thought the car was in the oncoming lane, and I was really not having that. Ooh, I hate speed bumps. Gosh, I'm not even going fast. Thinking I'm being loud. Jeez. So that's one thing about this car. Very, very stiff suspension. Ooh, I knew that one was gonna be bad. There we go. I mean, there's not a whole lot else for me to talk about at the moment until I actually go. I want to do a proper review on this thing at some point, where I'm like actually taking some road footage and me driving by, but I kind of need some help for that, and with COVID and the holidays, I haven't really had anybody free willingly. Is that a movie? No, that's Free Willy, not Free Willingly. Oh, actually one of the guys that might be the second shooter is texting me right now. But, I mean, to kind of wrap things up, because I've been talking forever, yeah, trial period went great. It basically was me learning manual. The repair facility went great. I had no problems other than finding a ride to get there. That wasn't a big deal. And what else do we got? The car's a load of fun. If you want to get one, I highly recommend the Fiesta ST. Learning manual is, I mean, honestly, it's a breeze. I'm learning in a hilly city. The first time, I mean, I've been driving a car for, I don't know, 8 or 9 years now. So I've got that experience of just being on the road, but driving the manual, I mean, it really came to, I could get around in 2 days. Like after 2 days, I wasn't really concerned about what to do. So that was nice. And now after about a month, I mean, here I am talking a whole video, navigating a new area that I've never been to, and recording it all. So it's gone pretty swell, I would say. But that's gonna be the end of the video today. I don't have a whole lot else to report. I've recorded like 30 minutes of me just straight talking, so I got a lot to edit. So I'm gonna go head probably downtown. It's getting a little late afternoon. I don't want to get there before the sun goes down. I'm gonna go take some photography, probably try to find some pictures of my car. I was gonna do some here, but it's all like gross and muddy. Anyway, that's gonna be it. I'm rambling again. Thanks for watching. This is the end. I'm done talking about Carvana. And I will see you guys again probably this week. I mean, I'm gonna make videos once or twice this week, but I don't know what the next upload is. I've got like 3 videos kind of in progress, so we'll see how that goes. Anyway, that's all. I will see you guys later. Bye.